Hello, look at this expression very well. How do we find the value of x in x minus 3 to the power of 4 equal to 16? We can find the value of x by inserting the various values of x and then finding out what the value can truly be. But then wait, we can solve this using algebraic formula. Join me as we see how possible that can be. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, to solve this expression using algebraic formula, we are going to bring 16 back to the left hand side, and that is going to give us make the equation to become x minus 3 all to the power of 4. We subtract 16 from both sides, then the right hand side will be equal to 0. Now in the next step, I want you to find out or recall something that 16 can be equal to 4 to the power of 2, right? And I can also say 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. Right? So I can expand this expression. If I expand this expression, I'm going to have this to become x minus 3 squared, and all this will be what? Will be squared, minus 4 to the power of 2, and this will be equal to 0. Now from this expression, you can see that we can easily simplify, because I can see truly an algebraic formula there. And what is the algebraic formula? Now recall this algebraic formula that if we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, that this is actually a div of 2 squared. This can be a plus b, right? And this can be a minus b. Great. Now recall from this expression, a is equal to x minus 3 squared, right? And then b is simply equal to 4. Now let's expand using this expression. If we expand, we're going to have this to now become a greater bracket. This will become x minus 3 square, right? Then the addition sign plus b, which is 4, and this will be related to this, which is x minus 3 all squared, right? And the negative sign minus 4, and all this will be equal to 0. So from this expression, you can see that we have what we call a zero product rule. And from this expression, we can separate this expression. The first expression will give us the value of x minus 3 all squared plus 4 to be equal to 0. And the second expression can give us x minus 3 squared minus 4, and this can be equal to 0. So we can solve this separately to find the values of x. Now from the first expression, we're going to consider the first expression. From the first expression, we're going to have x minus 3 all squared to be equal to negative 4, right? If we subtract 4 from both sides. So if we take the square root of both sides, we're going to have x minus 3 all squared equal to plus or minus the square root of negative what? 4. Now, when you consider this, you're going to see that this expression is going to simply give us the values of x. So this square root will clear the square, and then we'll have the value of x minus 3 to be equal to plus or minus. This is going to give me the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of negative 1, right? And the square root of negative 1 is going to simply give me x minus 3 equal to plus or minus 2i, which is a complex number. Negative 1, square root of negative 1 is I. So what do we have? We'll have the value of x to be equal to, adding 3 to both sides, we'll have 3 plus or minus 2 what? 2i. So from this expression, we'll have x1 to be equal to 3 plus 2i, and then we'll have x2 to be equal to 3 minus 2 what? 2i. These are the two expressions or two solutions from these expressions. These are not the only roots of this expression. Let's consider or solve the other equation. To solve the other equation, we're going to now have the value of x minus 3 all squared to be equal to 4, right? If we add 4 to both sides. If we take the square root will now give us x minus 3 all squared equal to plus or minus the square root of 4. And the square root of 4 will be equal to plus or minus 2. And then if the square root clears the square, we're going to have x minus 3 to be equal to plus or minus what? 2. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. We'll add 3 to both sides. We'll have our x to be equal to 3 plus or minus what? 2. Right? So our x will be, our x3 will be equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. And our x4 will be equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So the value of 5 and 1 are the other two solutions, which are real solutions. So we have two real solutions and two complex roots for that expression that is given to us up there. So what do we do? I want us to take our time out, take out the two real roots, which is 5 and 1, insert it or plug it into the original equation for the values of x, and see if the right hand solution can be equal to the left hand solution. If you try doing that, don't forget to tell us what your solution is in the comment section, and we'll be so glad to engage with you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.